Welcome, innovators and entrepreneurs. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of vending machines that go far beyond dispensing just snacks and sodas. No matter if you came to gape at unusual vending machines or are looking for a way to make extra money, this video has something for everyone. From bizarre concepts to brilliant business ideas, get ready to be inspired by these 40 crazy money-making vending machines. Let's jump right in. Imagine this, a regular claw machine, like the ones in arcades, only instead of stuffed toys, live lobsters. This vending machine lets you pay a couple of dollars for a chance to catch your dinner straight from the tank. If you win, they'll cook it for you right there. These machines are usually found in bars and seafood restaurants as part of the experience. You either catch the lobster or the lobster catches you. A great American roulette, but with claws. This machine prints custom phone cases with any design, photo, or meme you upload. You pick your model, send in your image, and just a few minutes later, you get a fully personalized case. You can even make a quick gift on the go. Simple idea, but genius. Personalization plus speed. You've just bought a new smartphone and you're worried about the screen. Usually that means going to a service center or sticking on a film yourself with bubbles guaranteed. Here's the fix. An automatic screen protector station. Just find your phone on the touchscreen and the machine applies the film precisely. Bubble-free, hands-free. Gold to go is exactly what it sounds like. A vending machine that sells real gold bars. Insert your card, choose the weight, and get actual gold in your hands. These are installed in luxury hotels, airports, and of course the upper floor of the Burj Khalifa. Prices update in real time, just like the stock market. You can buy anything from a small coin to a 10-gram bar. Regular coffee vending machines are boring. Push a button, wait, grab your cup. But this one turns coffee making into a performance. The transparent shell lets you see everything. Water pouring, milk frothing, perfect layering, even the lid being sealed. No human involved, but the precision and cleanliness make it feel like a lab. Instead of hiding the process, it puts it on display, and that's the fun of it. This isn't just a shoe cleaner, it's a smart spa for your sneakers. Drop in your pair, pick a mode, and the machine takes care of the rest. It sanitizes, sterilizes, deodorizes, and dries them fully without a single brush or wet hand. Full smart treatment, start to finish. This vending machine sprays perfume directly on you. It doesn't sell bottles, it gives you a quick, contactless spritz of fragrance. Pick a scent, and the system sprays it on your wrist or collar. It's a short, efficient interaction, a cheap way to sample a scent without buying a whole bottle. A manicure with no appointment, no stylist, and no wait, just seconds. This machine prints designs directly onto your nails with pixel-perfect accuracy. Pick a design or upload your own, insert a finger, and it's done in a few seconds. These are already showing up in malls, airports, and college campuses. Optic Wash is an automated kiosk designed for quick, safe cleaning and disinfection of glasses, waterproof phones, and jewelry. You place the item inside, and the machine cleans it without heat or chemicals, just pure water and UV light. The whole process takes about 2 minutes and leaves the item clean and germ-free. A vending machine that solves one of the most awkward problems in public spaces. The revolving toilet is a fully automated restroom that cleans itself after every use. Inside, there are 2 rotating toilet bowls. While one is in use, the other is being washed and dried under high pressure. This system is already running in several European cities and would make perfect sense at tourist sites, train stations, festivals, and parking lot. The monetization options are strong. Paid access, display ads, and partnerships with city authorities. This device combines a vending machine with a smart locker system. In storage mode, users scan a QR code, pick a compartment, and leave their belongings, convenient for malls, train stations, or co-working spaces where you need your hands free for a while. The second use case is retail. The machine can dispense large items like electronics, grocery boxes, or refrigerated meal kits thanks to a built-in cooling system. This machine doesn't sell goods or drinks, it offers rest. It's a massage chair with vending-style control. Scan a QR code, choose your massage type, pay, and the chair starts the session. You can adjust the duration from 5 to 30 minutes, and everything is controlled via a push buttons. The best part is, no staff needed. It runs autonomously, handles payment, and shuts off by itself. A water dispensing machine is a simple solution that checks all the boxes. Budget-friendly, eco-conscious, and convenient. Just bring your own bottle, choose the amount, pay, and get filtered drinking water right there. Filtration happens inside the unit. The main audience here is anyone who wants to avoid paying for bottled water and reduce plastic waste. Needing a spare key usually comes as a surprise. This machine solves the problem in a couple of minutes. Insert the original key, choose the type, and the machine makes a copy on the spot. It's equipped with laser scanning and automated cutting for precise duplication. Some models even work with car keys and smart keys. Here's another direction where laser engraving fits perfectly, a compact machine that turns blanks into personalized tags in minutes. The best part is watching the process. A robotic arm grabs the piece, and the laser engraves the design right in front of you. All you have to do is pick a template and enter your text. The tech does the rest. Minimal effort, maximum personalization. A different kind of vending, this one's medical. The kiosk runs self-checkups, blood pressure, pulse, temperature, oxygen saturation, and even a basic ECG. No staff involved. You just sit down, follow the instructions on the screen, and get your results in a few minutes. More and more vending machines are switching from giving to collecting, accepting waste, recycling old stuff, helping the environment. Here are a few examples where vending works in reverse, taking in, not giving out. A battery collection machine, a simple idea that works. People drop in used batteries, and the system sorts and stores them for later disposal. The money comes from the recycling companies that pay per volume. Classic reverse vending. Bottles. The user gets a bonus, a discount, loyalty points, a coupon. The owner gets paid by recyclers buying sorted plastic. Plus, the machine itself can show ads, QR promos, or branded designs, another monetization layer. Old clothes that just take up space in the closet, they don't have to go to waste. Select clothes in any condition. Wearable stuff goes to secondhand stores, worn out pieces to recycling. Some brands pay per kilo as part of their "We Care About Sustainability" PR. Another smart direction for vending personal safety. In tourist areas, parking lots, public transport stops, or campus zones, you can embed a panic button and emergency system right into a regular vending unit. Works autonomously. When pressed, it sends a signal to security or emergency services, along with the user's GPS location. Especially relevant for women, travelers, teens, anyone who might find themselves in a vulnerable situation. This feature can be added to a coffee machine, a ticket kiosk, even an info terminal. A karaoke booth is a fully enclosed soundproof capsule where users can sing their favorite songs without disturbing anyone. These booths are equipped with pro-level sound systems, touchscreens for song selection, and even a recording feature. You don't need to book a private room, just walk in and sing whenever you want. Let's talk about vending that doesn't just dispense, it cooks. This category includes machines that assemble burgers, bake pizza, fry fries, heat hot dogs, pour draft beer, and even make rice bowls or noodles. No staff involved inside. You've got freezing units, mini ovens, grill modules, sauce dispensers, even robotic arms. What about the entertainment niche? This includes arcade machines, air hockey, foosball, pinball, poker tables, joystick games, racing simulators, and even VR booths. Most of these work on a simple token system: insert coin, start playing. Some are synced with mobile apps or loyalty systems where you can collect points and win prizes. And the key thing, it's an instant emotion. 2 or 3 minutes of distraction, fun, and then you're on your way. Picture this, you're at a park, near the water. You press a button and get a handful of feed to offer to ducks, or maybe a vending-style aquarium that does the same, but for fish. It all works like a regular vending machine. Simple mechanics, contactless payment, compact design. But the effect is different. No product, no goal. Just a small interaction that makes you feel connected to the place and the moment. Automated sleeping pods follow a vending logic. You pay for access and get a private space to rest for a set amount of time. Inside, ventilation, soundproofing, soft lighting, sometimes music or heating, fully autonomous, no staff required. These booths are installed in airports, malls, office parks, train stations. The concept is simple. Space equals service. Vending just without the product. One unconventional way to use vending is to leave the machine running after the shop closes. The store shuts down, but the machine keeps working. It handles payments, dispenses products, gathers data, and doesn't need a single employee. Works especially well for coffee shops, bakeries, accessories, electronics, or seasonal goods. You probably know Japan is the queen of vending, and this machine fits perfectly into that logic vending umbrellas. The moment it starts to rain, a line forms at the exit of the subway. The machine dispenses a basic plastic umbrella for a few coins, and off you go. It's fast, convenient, and just makes sense. Outside Japan, it's still rare, but the potential is obvious. Bad weather, people on the move, and no time to find a store. Some machines don't sell, they lend. You don't buy anything, you just take, use, and return. And every year, these solutions get more common. Power banks are a familiar format. Your phone's dying, grab a unit and go. You can return it to any station. The system tracks it automatically. Found everywhere: cafes, malls, subways, airports. The problem gets solved in 15 seconds. Here, you rent a scooter or a bike. The machine stores them inside, opens the slot after payment, and tracks the rental time. You return it to the same place. No staff, fully controlled. Tool rental is another format that works well with vending. It gives you short-term access to stuff you don't need to own. Screwdrivers, pumps, jacks, multimeters, staplers, the list can vary. For the user, just what you need, right when you need it. For the owner, a clean revenue stream with clear logic. Eggs are one of those products that fit vending surprisingly well, especially when linked with small farms. The machine acts like a pickup point, cooling system, individual lockers, simple payment. To set up a model like this, you'll need to work with local producers directly. No middlemen, no extra logistics. In China, vending machines for live crabs have become a curious way to meet demand for this delicacy. But they do come with challenges: strict temperature control, water conditions, and compliance with local animal handling and food safety laws. Not impossible, but definitely a niche setup. In Japan, there are machines where you don't choose the product, you choose your chance. One screen, dozens of lockers, and just one key. You get to open a random box and inside, who knows? A toy, gadget, cosmetic item, collectible, sometimes junk, sometimes something great. The whole point is the thrill. People spend money just to experience that moment of surprise. Masks, sanitizers, gloves, shoe covers, the kind of stuff people always forget until the last second. Recent pandemics and health scares showed how essential these basic items really are. And the best part, there's money to be made. Coffee is one of the most popular vending products, but in some countries, it's not a cup, it's a can. Hot or cold, sweet or black, with or without milk, it's all sealed and ready. This format is practical. It doesn't spill, doesn't need to be drunk right away, easy to carry. Paintings, prints, ceramic pieces, small sculptures, these don't have to be inside a gallery. They can be behind vending glass. Machines like this show up at art centers, universities, museums, festivals. For example, one in Chicago sells work by local artists. It quickly became a hotspot, got media coverage, and started generating steady income. And here, you're not buying a book, you're getting an idea, a surprise. It could be an old edition, a weird genre, a forgotten manual, or a piece of vintage prose. No cover blurbs, no categories, no friend recommendations. Just you and the book the machine gives you.